Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Android phone not connecting to Wi-Fi network. So if your Wi-Fi is not connected to any of the network, like if you are facing problem to connect through hotspot or through Wi-Fi, then this video is absolutely for you. So basically what you need to do, first of all, make sure that you have to just restart your phone, and then after waiting for 3 to 4 minutes you have to again reopen your device, and then this problem might solve. And the second tips, what you have to do here, you have to just simply go to your Wi-Fi here, and then after going to your Wi-Fi here, you can see second thing is you have to click on forgot password, and then you can retry it. And the third step, what you have to do, you have to simply go to Wi-Fi here, and then here you can see this type of interface. So you have to click on assigning a static IP address. So simply click on this, and then here let me just type up my password and then click on join. Now it's connected, so let me just click here, and then you have to go for static IP address. So here you can see IP address, so you need to simply click on this IP address. It's not clicking, so let me just go to IP address settings, statics, go to statics, and then here you will find this type of settings. So now you have to click on this IP address, and then here you can see 24. So just simply you have to click to 30. Okay, now just click right side, and then it's done, I guess. So let me just go back, and then you can see here it's connected. So guys, in this way you can fix the hotspot Wi-Fi issue on your phone. Thanks for watching. Do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.